Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I hope to show you a little bit about how we ride a train here in Indonesia. Veron, Sarah, and I are going to take a girls' trip to Jakarta and back. Today, we're going to go purchase our tickets at a convenience store. Alright, we have our receipt, but now we have to exchange our receipt for our ticket at this station. We got our tickets all printed for going and returning home. For all three of us, the train's name is Fajar Utama. Sarah and I are all packed and ready to go this morning. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning and we're waiting on our taxi to get here to pick us up, to take us to the train station where we'll meet Veron. Pretty exciting. We're ready to go.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Sidi.
Selamat datang. Terima kasih.
Jayak na mana? Bertiga.
Ya.
Okay, we ordered nasi goreng or fried rice. That's my kerupuk, but it's a little bit broken. And it comes with a little spoon and fork. That's the fried rice. A little piece of chicken, egg, and some vegetables, tomato and cucumber, some ketchup, and some hot sauce. That's what we're eating for lunch today on the train. Jakarta. We're getting off here in just a couple minutes. It's been about an 8.5, 9-hour trip. We've done a lot of listening to our audiobooks, reading our books, and but it's been an enjoyable trip. I hope you've enjoyed the scenery. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.